Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So today is all about the beauty and makeup finds at Five Below, okay? I'm talking lip balms, foundations, eyelash kits, mascaras, eyeshadow palettes, all of the good stuff, okay? And especially if you're someone who is looking for a deal right now, I definitely have some finds for you, okay? Because let's face it, while we love a lot of these brands, okay, I just recently tried some Summer Fridays lip balm. I'm obsessed. I recently purchased some Morphe makeup. There are all kinds of brands, NYX, all kinds of stuff. But if you're on a budget and you're wanting to find some extra makeup and all of that, or if you're like just starting out, just getting into makeup and you don't want to break the bank, I feel like Five Below is a great place to go and shop for some of these items, especially like this. You see all of those lashes right here in Five Below for only $5. Now I know there's been a lot of talk right now for, you know, people talking about lash kits. I think the girl's name is like Jada. She made like a lash kit and I think it's like $70 or something like that. So hey, I say let's support her too. Let's get those lash kits and stuff. But why not, if you're someone like me who hasn't mastered putting on those lashes yet, why not go somewhere like Five Below and get your practice in before you spend those coins on those lashes, okay? Because as you can see here, they have lots of options for you to choose from, okay? So I'm not saying don't shop all those other brands that we know and love. I'm just saying make room in your budget for some of these items as well, because there are times and things that come up to where you're like, okay, you know what, I just need something quick, I need something simple. Or like I said, you might be a girly who's just getting into makeup and beauty products and stuff like that, and I feel like this is a great place to start, okay? So what we're gonna do here, if you're new, welcome to the vibes, okay? I'm gonna play some music, let you guys vibe out, and then I'll be back in just a few, or whenever I see something that I need to tell you about.
Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing.
Okay, and I know that these are hand sanitizers, but they're cute and they look like the little trendy ones, so I decided to just leave those in there so that you guys can see that they're at Five Below as well.
You set my wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean, I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss
Oh my goodness, and I cannot forget about my DIY nail people. You guys, do you realize how many things they have at Five Below for your nails? Okay, I'm talking about the nail files, the press-on nails. They have the remover. They have polishes. They have like whole kits, like pedicure kits, manicure kits, all the stuff. Even like the little UV lights that you put your hands under for your nails to dry. So if you are someone who is, you know, doing your own nails, maybe you're doing your own press-on nails, you know, you may be one of the girls that's doing the Gel X or all of that type of stuff at home, Five Below definitely has you covered. And look, even stuff like that to hold your makeup brushes, but they also have the things for like your toes and stuff whenever you're polishing them too. So yes, all kinds of good finds.
It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
And when I started the video, I know I told you guys we were talking about the makeup and the beauty fonts and all that, but did I forget to mention that we're going to be seeing some body care items as well? Five Below has scrubs. They have like little whipped scrubs for your body. They also have all of the essentials that you need for whenever you are getting ready or you've just showered. They have the cute little spa like headbands. They have the wristbands to put on your arms and stuff so that, you know, whenever you're washing your face and stuff, it doesn't get too wet. They also have body scrubbers and all of that good stuff. And don't worry, I know you don't see it yet, but it's coming up, okay? So I just wanted to give you a heads up to go ahead and keep watching the video so that you can see all of that good stuff too. And let me tell you, when I say the aesthetics are on point, they're on point, okay? This stuff is definitely giving high end. It's gonna look good. It's not something that you have to put like under your bathroom counter. Like these products, you can place them nicely on your counter and things are going to look good, okay? So yeah, make sure you keep watching so that you can see that too. And by the way, while you're still watching, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Join the family over here, okay? Because it's fun. We like to shop. We have a good time and it costs you nothing, okay? It's free to subscribe and not miss out on all the good finds. So why wouldn't you want to? But anyway, okay, let's get back to the music. All right, let's vibe out.
그랬었길 바랬던 예전 소원 이룬 날 언어의 문제 사탕 같은 말 숨길 수 없는 payday 고소한 coffee yes we go on and on collect them all I don't care what they say I like it I go la 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 I like it I just want Just fine, yeah, yeah. I like it, I go la la la.
Okay, you guys, so we're nearing the end of today's video, but I just want to say that I've had so much fun helping you guys and letting you guys browse with me in Five Below. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Like I said, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. And yeah, you guys, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.